Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change alarm sound on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your clock application. Then now you need to make sure that you're on the alarm section. So you can see that at the lower part of your screen. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the edit button at the upper left corner of your screen and then choose the time that you want to change the sound or ringtone. So I'm just gonna go with 5 a.m. Now you want to click on the sound section at the lower part of your screen. At the middle part of your screen. And then now you can see the ringtones section. So just go ahead and choose any ringtones that you want. So you can play any ringtones by clicking on it, but I won't do it right here so that you can hear me properly. Okay, so once you choose your sound, just go ahead and click on the back option or button at the upper left corner of your screen and click the save button. Okay, you need to make sure that you've clicked the save button so that your sound will be saved on this alarm. Okay, so once you've clicked on the save button, that should change the alarm sound on your iPhone. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.